Hello friends. So in this video we will check another two functions, strupper and strlower. So strupper used to convert a given string to uppercase and strlower used to convert a given string to lowercase. These functions will not work in GDP online compiler. Okay, so we can check with code blocks. Suppose we have one character again, str free code. Now we want to convert this string to uppercase. So in this case, we can use str upper. We can pass that string. Then we can print of percentages. We can tell this str. So this function will change this string. Okay, now we can just build a rebuild. See, we are getting uppercase free code. So this way we can uppercase the string. We can convert the string to uppercase. So without using this, how we can do that? That also we can check. So we can comment this. Suppose this is one character, small letter a. Okay. Suppose we have one another character that is capital A, that is A. We want to find out that ASCII values. Based on that, we can convert to uppercase or lowercase. Okay. So suppose here we can tell percentage D, that is small letter. Okay. And percentage D, that is capital. We are telling one difference. Okay. So here we are mentioning A, that is small, and capital A. And here we are telling that difference. Small minus capital. Okay. Then we will just run this. Build and run. See this ASCII value, small letter is 97 and capital is 66. Okay. We forgot to give in here percentage D. We will build and run. See the difference is 32. Suppose here we are changing character small letter b and capital B. We'll run this. Then also we are getting the difference 32. Okay. So the ASCII value of B is 98 and ASCII value of B is 66. So the difference is always 32 only. Okay. So in that logic we can apply here. So lowercase b has higher ASCII value, right? So here we can tell for int I equal to 0. Here you can tell str of I not equal to null terminating operator and I plus plus. Then here we are checking if str of I greater than or equal to A, and str of I less than or equal to B. Okay, so what we need to do, str of I, we need to change str of I, we need to convert to uppercase, right? So the ASCII value we need to mark this 32, right? Then again we need to print that str. Okay, so now this is free coding, lowercase only. We will build and run now. Not B, here Z. Okay, you can build and run. See, now we are getting free coding, uppercase. Okay, so here we are minusing this 32. Okay, now we can just comment this. Now we need to convert a given string to lowercase. Suppose here we are giving free coding, and then we can use str lower function. Okay, now we can build and run. See, now it is showing free coding lowercase only. Okay, then how we can do without using str lower also, using ASCII value. Okay, so suppose here we are using capital letters, right? So in that time we need to check capital and capital Z. Okay, so the lowercase ASCII value of A is small letter A ASCII value is greater, right? So that time we need to add that plus 32. Okay, now we will rebuild. Now we can see we are getting lowercase free coding. Okay, okay, thanks for watching.